Hey y'all, so I wanted to come at you with a little haul from Amazon because when life gives us lemons and we need lemonade, we need water. So I ordered a couple of like essential things that I'd been out of or needed or wanted or all of somewhere in that between area for a while, and I figured I would haul them and I want to do a taste test. Really, I want to do a taste test. So we're going to get the haul through really quick so that I can get to the taste test because I want to try it, and I put it in the fridge earlier. I needed some bread bags because I've been baking bread for some local friends around here and dropping it off, and it's just much easier to have bread bags than like gallon Ziploc bags because sometimes the bread doesn't fit. I needed some meringue powder because I like to make stuff with egg whites, and the meringue powder is a nice stabilizer and addition. And then I have been wanting to try this for a couple of months. This is blue butterfly pea powder, and basically it's made by Suncor, and it's basically sort of how I use the freeze-dried fruits and vegetables. Well, really freeze-dried tomatoes are fruit. To make colored pasta, I wanted to try the blue butterfly pea flour and try it. They also make a purple sweet potato one, and I've recently made purple sweet potato pasta from actual purple sweet potatoes because I can get those here in Hawaii. They're grown all over the place. But I really wanted to try this and make some pasta and some other cool, fun, colored dishes. Hopefully this isn't got a weird, funky aftertaste because I ordered like 3.5 ounces, and it will probably last a long time, or until it goes bad here, as is the case. So this is the first time I picked up a glycerol monostearate. It's from bulksupplements.com. So I got this as an anti-caking agent because of where I live, I don't have any sort of climate or humidity control except for the little window unit back there, and so there's a 70% humidity all the time or more, and so my spices clump up a lot, even salt and some of those I use more of a granulated flake salt, but even that will clump. And it just doesn't in a lot of other places. So I got the glycerol monostearate to help as an anti-caking agent. From what I've read online, it's supposed to be good for that, so got that. And then I got a little lingerie bag, but no one needs to see that because my other lingerie bag had worn out in the washer. So, and then I'm really excited because I got this. It's not beer, it's water. It's Liquid Death. I ordered a case of it. It's supposed to be amazing water, and I watched Teresa is Dead. She did this great water live stream where she tasted a bunch of different waters and blind taste tested them. Her husband did it, put it into glasses, and she could name them. Anyways, this, and she's said this in a couple of live streams, that this is one of her favorite waters. I am a water snob. I'll be nice and I'll say that way. I'm pretty picky. Some waters taste like dog turds, and I'm being nice when I say that. But supposedly this is amazing. I'm very excited, but also I sent a picture to my family earlier, and I snapped it out or whatever onto my Insta stories. And I had a friend that messaged back. She was like, "Is that a beer? You with a beer?" She's like, "I know you brew beer and make beer and use it for cooking, but she's like, you don't buy beer or drink it." And I was like, "No, it's water." So yeah. I know that sounds weird to say I love to brew beer and stuff, but it's so good at cooking. Okay, so I'm excited. This is cold, and I want to drink it before it's not cold, and here it can go not cold pretty quick. So you hear that? It totally sounds like a beer, but it does say mountain water. It's supposed to be super fancy. That's interesting. It's really good water. I can't decide if this was worth the money yet or not. I might have to go through a couple of these to decide. Stay tuned. I'll let you know. It's really soft. I like that. But I'm saving my can so I can recycle it. Also, I like that they come in 16.9 ounce cans, like the tall boys. But I'm not gonna lie, I really wish I had because I've seen some of the metal ones that have screw tops. Yeah, I definitely am gonna wish for that because I'm not gonna make it through this whole thing in this sitting. I really like it. Will I order another case? Not unless I got another coupon or it's a really good deal. I really like it. I love the idea of it being in a can if you're like a big drinker and could drink a lot in one go. That being said, I'm not. So I'm going to have to transfer this to another bottle. But yeah, I really love it. I love the idea. I like the marketing. The marketing really is what pulled me in, let's be honest, because otherwise, why would you spend that much money? Anyways, so I would definitely say the taste of this, amazing. Really good. We'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars or bottles of water, whatever you want to call it. The price, I'd have to give it about a 2.5, but I'm going to do that for any water that's this expensive because it's really expensive and not everyone can afford that. That's just the truth. Packaging, 5 out of 5. It's amazing. So I'd say if you have the opportunity to try this near you, give it a shot. Would I specifically go out of my way to try it? Clearly I did. I ordered this online. But should you, if you don't have the money, absolutely not. Groceries over this. You know what I'm saying? But that being said, if you like to try water and you are like me and you like to just try different things, I was like, it's kind of a fun thing to do. Especially if you had like a group of friends to do it with you. I mean, it'd be fun experiment. Like, I don't know. That's just my thoughts. But I really dig it. I'm surprised how much of this I've drank very quickly. And yeah, so that is my review. I like it. It's real expensive. I think it's really good. Love the packaging, but very expensive. Again, if you don't have the money, don't go out and seek it. But if it's near you, you can buy a can and you've got the money, pick it up because it's real good. Or I would recommend, I should say. I'm not telling you to buy it if you don't got it. So that is it for this review and this Amazon haul. I don't know why I did it like that, but I think everybody's going crazy right now a little bit. And I was there already before we went into isolation because I'm already self-isolating. I live by myself, so I'm just like, although I do get to go outside, so that's all right. Anyways, I hope you, if you have any recommendations for like waters I should try, like fancy waters or not fancy waters, let me know in the comment section below, or like beverage items you think I'd like, let me know. Yeah, so that's it. Dun, dun. I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. I will talk to you later. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. It's okay. Either way, I'm just happy you're here. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye!